Throughout the world, every country has had its own addition to the culinary landscape, and for America, this can be said to be chili. Chili is a hearty dish that has a rich history that's deeply rooted in American culture, particularly in the southwestern United States. Often referred to as chili con carne, meaning chili with meat, the dish traditionally includes a blend of chili peppers, meat, tomatoes, and beans. Its origins are somewhat disputed, but it's widely believed to have been influenced by Mexican, Spanish, and Native American cuisines. The first written records of chili con carne date back to the early 1800s, with cowboys and settlers in Texas preparing it as a convenient and flavorful meal on the trail. By the late 19th century, chili became popular in San Antonio, where chili queens sold the dish in open-air markets. Texas proudly embraced chili as a state favorite, and it grew in popularity across the country. Over time, various regions created their own versions of chili. Texas-style chili famously excludes beans, focusing solely on meat and spices, while other versions include beans, vegetables, and even different meats like turkey or chicken. Vegetarian variations have also emerged, replacing meat with beans or other plant-based proteins. Chili cook-offs became popular in the 20th century, with their first major competition being held in Tulingua, Texas in 1967. These events helped solidify chili's place in American food culture and led to the creation of countless variations. Today, chili is a beloved comfort food, known for its bold flavors and versatility. It's a dish that brings people together, whether at home, in restaurants, or during cook-offs. If you'd like to hear us talk about more areas of culture, cooking, and far more, please do like, comment, and subscribe, and thank you for watching.